Hi everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to use Higgsfield AI for free, unlimited. First, go to the Higgsfield website using any browser on your PC or mobile. Higgsfield AI is a creative platform that lets you generate short videos and animations from images using artificial intelligence. It is mainly used by content creators, marketers, and social media users who want a fast AI-generated visuals without advanced editing skills. Now click on sign up from the top right corner. Higgsfield allows multiple sign up options including Google, Apple, Microsoft, or email. For this method, select Google. Once you are logged in, you will enter the main dashboard. At this point, Higgsfield automatically gives you free daily credits. These credits are used every time you generate a video or run AI process. Each new account receives a limited number of credits per day, which resets daily. Now open a new tab and go to the Mail Media website. This tool helps manage and organize multiple email addresses, which is useful when handling different signups. It also works well with Gmail-based accounts. After that, visit a temporary email website. These websites instantly generate disposable email addresses that can receive verification emails. Copy the temporary email address shown on the screen. Now go back to the Higgsfield website and sign up again using the temporary email. Higgsfield treats each email as a new user, so every new account receives its own daily free credits. After that, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you can check your available credits. This confirms how many free credits you have for video generation. By repeating this process responsibly, you can continue using Higgsfield AI without paying while exploring its features like image to video creation, AI effects, and short-form video generation. Just remember not to overuse this method, as unusual activity may result in account limits. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.